quiet and comfortable place to sit or lie down, gently closing the eyes. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, release any tension from your body. You hear me say to you, hello. Today we embark on a journey of celebration and recognition. I'm here to acknowledge your incredible achievements and your manifestations, congratulating you on reaching your goals. You respond with gratitude. Thank you so much. It's been an incredible journey. I'm honored to share this moment with you. I then say to you, let's begin by recognizing your first goal, creating engaging content that helps your ideal clients. You've done an exceptional job. Your content resonates deeply with our audience. You've been providing them with valuable insights and guidance, bringing them relief and success. We're hearing consistently from clients things like, your content has been a game changer for me. I've learned so much and it's transformed my life. You respond, feeling the pride within yourself, the excitement, resolution. Yes, I've poured my heart and soul into crafting content that truly connects with my clients. It's been a rewarding experience knowing that I'm making such a difference. I respond. Moving on to your second goal, maintaining a steady schedule of 20 clients per week with a waiting list and eventually increasing your rates to reflect your value. You've not only achieved this, but you've surpassed this. Your calendar is consistently booked with both returning and new clients. We hear so much feedback from clients, especially lately. One saying, I had to wait a bit to get a slot with you, but it was worth it. Your coaching has transformed my life. I've recommended you to everyone I know. You feel this. Think of all the success stories that you've been receiving and feeling that determination, that confidence. You say, it's been an incredible journey. The demand for my coaching has grown and I've been able to increase my rates to reflect the value I provide. I continue. Your third goal was to receive success stories from every single one of your clients, and you've accomplished just that. Your clients are achieving their goals, and their success stories are a testament to your coaching expertise. Allowing yourself to feel the excitement, the knowing of this. I never thought I could achieve what I have without your guidance, as one client said. Your coaching has changed my life and I'm forever grateful. Feedback like this is always coming through as they record their success after coaching with you. You feel the appreciation, the gratitude within you as you reflect on all the stories that have come through from every single client. You say, I'm immensely proud of my clients and their achievements. Their success stories motivate me to continue this rewarding path. I continue. Your fourth goal was to release a course filled with value and help that become a bestseller, impacting thousands of people, helping them reach their goals and manifest their dreams. And you've done precisely that. Again, some of the feedback that we've received from these clients. They say to you, your course has been a revelation. It's like you're right there with me, guiding me to success. Thank you. Feeling the joy within yourself as again you reflect on the success and accomplishment of your course. You say, it's a dream come true. Witnessing the positive impact of my course on thousands of lives has been truly fulfilling. I continue on. Lastly, your fifth goal, becoming financially stable enough to transition from your regular job to coaching full-time, with unlimited resources to pursue your passions and spend time with your loved ones. You've achieved this financial stability. You reflect on all the clients you've been working with, doing what you love to do, all the resources you've had access to. You hear things from clients, such as, you deserve all the success. You've changed so many lives, including mine. I'm so excited for your full-time coaching journey and that we have more access to you. You feel the energy of living a life of your passion. You say to me, it's an incredible feeling to know that I can now focus on coaching full-time, pursue my passions, and cherish moments with my loved ones. I then say to you, your dedication, hard work, and unwavering commitment to your goals have brought you this well-deserved success. Congratulations, coach. You respond, feeling inspired. Thank you for your support and guidance. I'm ready to continue growing, helping more clients, and making a positive impact on the world. As you breathe into the success and fulfillment that you live in, you're recognizing this is the true you. This is what's done. We have accepted it as true, and it continues to grow and grow. I say to you, keep shining, coach. Your journey is an inspiration to us all, and your future is filled with limitless possibilities. Take a few more deep breaths in and out, taking a moment to open your eyes, carrying this sense of accomplishment, motivation, inspiration, and support with you as you continue your coaching journey. Your success knows no bounds. Continue to accept this as true, living from this I am, this end, allowing the normalness, the naturalness to fill every single cell, expanding more into your truth. Again, your success knows no bounds. When you're ready, you can open your eyes, allowing this to unfold.